You're a facilities maintenance manager and you've got problems, and they're everywhere. Lobbies, hallways, kitchens, bathrooms, break rooms, cafeterias, and maybe a few other places we don't want to mention. Calcium, lime, and rust buildup keep water in drains and pipes from flowing freely. Soap scum on sinks, grime and grease in food prep areas, floors, common areas, and rust and other stains in the toilet.
But to tackle these problems, you need a wide variety of cleaning products that contain no harsh chemicals, that are EPA certified, NSF registered, and readily biodegradable.
From a company with a 50-plus year record of providing powerful cleaning solutions.
And from a company that has been the EPA Partner of the Year since 2015.
Okay, facilities managers need cleaning products that are powerful and safe.
And these products are ready to use, so you can worry less about handling, storing, and disposal.
CLR PRO facilities maintenance cleaning products are formulated for your commercial applications. The power you expect.
And the safety you need.